Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum grade 6. I hope you all are fine and healthy. Today we are going to study about figurative language. So now the question comes, what is figurative language? Let's see. Figurative language is when you describe something by comparing it with something else. So my dear students, the purpose of figurative language is to describe something, and for description you compare it with something else which is a known thing. Like you can make the comparison by the explanation of that. Types of figurative language include alliteration, hyperbole, idiom, cliche, metaphor, simile, personification. Many types are there. But today, for the comparison, we are going to study only two types, metaphor and simile. Let's see what is simile and what's metaphor. Here is an example. His face lit up like a light bulb when he figured out the math problem. So now we are making a comparison of the happiness after solving the math problem with a light bulb, like his face was shining like a light bulb. As we know, a simile is a comparison of two things, two unlike things, and we use the words like or as. Now let's see what's metaphor. Metaphor is a comparison of two unlike things without using the words like or as. As you know, in simile we are using the word like, but in metaphor we are not using the words like or as. Here are the examples. She was a breath of fresh air. The snow is a white blanket. We are not saying that snow looks like a white blanket or snow is as a white blanket. We are directly saying that the snow is a white blanket. So for simile we use the words like or as for the comparison, but in metaphor we do not use the words like or as for comparison. Another example of simile, my pillow was like a cloud when I laid my head down. Here we are using the word like. She was as smart as an owl. The student was as quiet as a mouse. The backpack was like a bag of bricks. So my dear students, in all the examples you see that we are using the word as and the word like. Here is an example of metaphor. The paintbrush was a magic wand in his hand. So we are not saying that the paintbrush was working like a magic, but we are directly saying that it was a totally magic. So another example, she is a walking dictionary. She knows all the words, so we are simply saying her a walking dictionary. Some more examples of simile, busy as a bee, sparkle like diamonds, hungry as a bear, flat as a pancake, hard as a rock. Metaphors, more examples. The sun was a gleaming pearl. Sun was not gleaming like a pearl, but exactly the sun was a gleaming pearl. My baby brother is a cute little teddy bear. My sister's memory is a camera that remembers everything we see. The car seat is a fluffy cloud. Custard is a happiness in a bowl. Now let's think. Here I am going to give you a picture, and through that picture you are going to make that sentence, which is a famous one. Look at the picture. Here we have a key, we have a door of success, and the boy is having a book in his hand. So make a famous line from this picture. Now comes your task. Read the lines given below and sort out simile and metaphor. Here are the lines. Her heart is like gold. The world is a stage. I want to be a cloud. He runs like a tiger. She is as beautiful as a flower. He is a lion. Write 3 more examples of simile and metaphor other than the given examples. It's up to your choice, as you have understood simile and metaphor, so you are going to write 3 more examples of each simile and metaphor. Thank you, my dear class. Allah Hafiz.